You know I do videos, right? I don't know if you remember that card I had that said, you know, I shoot videos, and that's what I do. I put videos on YouTube. So the hull is aluminum and the top is fiberglass. Crest liner.
Crest liner, 1959.
Man.
It's called a Mandalay. And I stripped it all out, put new fork, did everything. I redid everything in it. Took the old V6 or V4 Johnson off of it and put this 4-stroke. This was an Evinrude, this motor here.
Yeah.
It's a 70 horse.
Yeah.
And I'll tell you what, it runs. And it's just, you know, like old outboards, you couldn't talk in the boat while you're going down.
Right.
This thing, you can talk right in there.
Those 4-strokes are amazing.
Oh, they're unbelievable.
I got a 4-stroke Yamaha on my pontoon boat, and it is so quiet. Well, I've literally pulled up to the loading dock and got out of it, and we'd be backing the truck up and in, and my wife said, "Motor's not running, is it?" And I said, "I don't know. I don't hear it." It was running, you know, but it's that quiet, and it's amazing, you know, smooth and quiet.
I did all the work on this boat, polished up all the stuff in it. The only thing I didn't do was paint it. And my wife had it painted the way she wanted it. I put new flooring in it, new bunks in it, new side panels in it. If you look in the inside here, if you can look inside, see this right here?
Yeah.
It's coming loose a couple spots.
Yeah.
That's a crocodile, fake crocodile skin.
Wow. That is something. I love a boat like this. I for a short time I had a wooden boat, but it was made like this, a cuddy cabin, I guess you call that.
Yeah.
I didn't keep it long. Of course, I wasn't very old. I was pretty young. But man, it was so nice. We went to the lake and we got up in that little front part and laid down, you know. And I thought, boy, this is the coolest thing ever. And it was too.
It's a good run little boat.
Yeah.